Okay, we're back. I've modified the ring mold. Actually, we cut some more HDPE for it. And my boy came back from his trip and saw one of the rings I made and said, "Hey Dad, can you make me a ring?" So I asked him for what colors he wanted. He wants his favorite colors. So we're gonna go with some pink and blue. But one thing from woodworking, you get scraps. Lots and lots of scraps. So I've picked out a couple that I thought were a little interesting. We're just gonna pop them on in, see what we can come up with. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the pink. We're gonna use an alcohol ink for the pink. 5. Just give that a good stir. Now I'm going to try something a little different here. I've got some blue glitter here. I'm actually going to mix that in with the pink. Okay, now let's pour it on in. We're going to go with a blue mica on this one. Now before we pour this, I'm going to give this some time, just like I did with the blue and yellow ring. We're going to let this sit up for a little bit so that it'll thicken. That way we can try avoid the colors blending too much. Okay, we've been about 10 minutes. You might notice the tape. There is a bit of a leak here. This is all just friction fit pressure holding it all together. There's no glue on this, so I don't know if this is going to work or not. But I think we're at a point where I can pour some of this in. Okay. I am fearing that we are losing the pink. So what can we do to not lose the pink? I'm actually going to improvise here. Here's a die that I had made. It's got a bit of a divot in it, which is fine for what we're about to use it for, because it's a nice solid pink. The fun of resin art is you don't exactly know what you're gonna get. Take the clamps off first. I own several hammers. I don't have any inside with me. We'll take it up to the shop tomorrow and we'll cut some slices, see what it looks like, and we'll go from there. Okay, we've got it demolded. Looks decent. I think that's going to look pretty groovy. So let's bring it on over and get sanding. Okay, we got that all nicely squared up. Okay, back to the bandsaw. We're going to just trim off some of the excess material here. Okay, that's looking pretty funky. So now let's go get it on the lathe. Okay, so the lathe is misbehaving, and I can't quite get anything to sit true in it. So we're going to the drill press. You saw me use this before. It spins true. So it does the same thing. It's just can't use a chisel, so we'll have to use sandpaper to bring this on down. Okay, that's gonna look really slick, I think. We're still in one piece. Bring it down grits now that we got a nice shape to this. Well, let's take a good look at it now. Oh, that's looking slick. I am liking that. We're going to move up to ultra fine grit. This is just a 600 grit. Okay, that's looking good. I'm just going to grab some paste wax and... Okay, I got my paste wax, so I'm just gonna liberally apply it here. Let's buff this on up. Because of the heat, it's a little soft on the inside. Paste wax. If you're enjoying this content, give it a like and a subscribe. I try to make some different things. If you have any ideas on what else you'd like to see, feel free to leave it in the comments. And there we go. We have a purple and blue ring made from scrap wood and resin, mica, alcohol ink. I think it came out pretty darn good. If you enjoyed this, have a great day.